Seems like everybody has a cool demo right now. You type a prompt, you get a response, and it does feel like magic. But there's a massive canyon between it works on my laptop and it behaves in production.
Exactly. We're all trying to integrate generative AI into our software. But the first thing that we all realize is that this isn't standard software engineering anymore. It's probabilistic. And if you want it to be reliable, you can't just write a unit test and walk away.
Exactly why we started this. I'm Alex Bilotsky.
And I'm Kuba Fitkevich.
We're co-founders of Test Savant AI, but more importantly, we're really obsessed with this final mile of engineering, the deployment.
We're calling this podcast CTRL+ALT+DEPLOY because the deploy key, if one existed, is the one key that everyone is afraid to push right now.
Right. And in the traditional world, we had the good old software development life cycle. It was predictable: dev builds, QA tests, and ops deploys.
Yeah, that's all over now. With Gen AI, we have to define a new standard, the Gen AI SDLC. We have to answer a different set of questions. How do you architect for agents that might hallucinate? How do you secure a workflow that speaks natural language? Where does the human fit in the loop?
And where does red teaming sit? Is it a security function? Is it a QA function? Or is it something entirely new? We aren't here to lecture. We're here to learn. We're inviting all the AI innovators, the CTOs, CISOs, the heads of AI, who are actually right now in the trenches building this stuff.
We want to peel back the layers with you. We're not looking for a marketing pitch. We and our audience, we want to know about people, process, technology. And, how are you structuring your AI teams? What is your definition of done? What is in your stack that's keeping you up at night or letting you sleep like a baby?
I want you to think of this as an open forum. If you are a leader solving these problems, we want to give you a platform to share how you're innovating. We want to hear your war stories, what worked, what broke, and importantly, how you fixed it.
Whether you're in fintech or insurance or SaaS, all of our problems are surprisingly similar. We're all trying to figure out how to trust the machine.
And I think that's the key word there, trust. You can't deploy what you don't trust. This podcast is about exploring how we build that reliability back into our systems so we can stop playing with experiments and start driving real business value.
So if you're an engineering leader or just someone trying to survive the deployment of agentic AI, we're in the same boat. So hit that subscribe button.
And if you are an innovator building something interesting and unique and ready to talk about how you get to deploy, reach out to us. We'd love to have you on the show.
This is Control-Alt-Deploy.
Ship it.